one of the most important functions that we should be doing all year round in our gardens, and I mean all year round. Every day you get an opportunity, every time you're going to be planting, is mulching. And I sound like a stuck record, and I will be a stuck record because it's probably one of the most important things that you should be doing in your garden. Why should we be mulching? Well, it traps the moisture in the soil. When the sun bakes down, it stops all that water from evaporating, which means we're saving water, plus our plants will be happier. The other aspect is that, of course, when the ground is covered, the weed seeds cannot germinate. And that's really important because weeds, like any seed, need light. When we've covered them up, no chance of them coming through. Very, very important. And also, when we get heavy downpours of rain, then your soil is protected and your soil simply doesn't run away into the neighbor's garden or even into the house, which even could be worse. So what should we use as mulch? Well, beautiful compost is always a must. I mean, awesome compost, look at it, that is just goodness. And whenever we add it around the garden, so it's wherever there's naked or bare bits of soil, whenever you add it around, what you're basically doing is encouraging more organic material. When you put more organic material in and around your plants, you're actually feeding them and improving the soil, which is a real big bonus. Of course, you could be using bought compost or hopefully compost from your own compost heap. The other thing which is free, of course, is beautiful leaves. I mean, just look at them. Yeah, the crunch. Oh, you know this is good. You really do. And this as well forms a beautiful mulch around any bare patches of soil that you might have in and around your garden. Place a thick layer as those start decomposing so the good bacteria get into the soil and start improving it. Plus, all those other good things about mulch. If you can't cope with the leaves and it looks a bit too untidy for you, then go for something like this, which is beautiful bark chips that you can pick up at your local garden centre. They really do neaten off edges, especially around pots, and they too can be simply used just as a mulch around your garden beds where there's naked soil. Simple as that, easy as that. Get down and do it because you won't believe what added value it puts back into your garden.